Did you bring them?
Yeah, I got yours right here, man.
Dude, these are neon.
Fucking matter, man. It's all I had left.
Shit.
It's my things. Here, take this.
What? Dude, why did you bring guns?
It's fucking 30% off at the corner store. I'm not passing up on a deal like that.
Yes, you can pass up a deal like that. Because now you're bringing guns to places that need fucking guns.
You chill the fuck out, man.
I need to chill.
Chill out.
Killed.
They're
You're
not
gonna get someone
fucking
killed.
loaded, man. I didn't get any ammunition
They're not
for them.
loaded.
I don't know where to get ammunition. I don't know how this shit works, man. Just keep it down. Chill. All right. You got the key?
You have the key.
Shit. This? What do you want me to do?
Just stand behind me. All right, you go through the living room, I'll go through the bedroom.
Okay. All right, let's do it, man. Shit.
Yo, just stay here. I'm gonna get us out of this.
It's a robbery! Put your hands in the air! No one's gonna hurt, just... Dude!
Fucking Christ.
You said they weren't loaded!
Why the fuck was I supposed to know it was
You said
loaded?
it wasn't loaded!
I don't know shit about guns. What do I look like? I'm a fucking pawn store?
You just gave me the
How am I
gun!
supposed to check if it's even fucking
Just
loaded?
check the bag!
Damn it. Why? She saw our faces. She's gonna call fucking cops.
Dude, you're wearing a mask, dipshit!
Fuck! God. Damn. Where the fuck do we get out of this, man?
Roll her up and we're gonna take her out of here, alright? No one's gonna know. Alright, no one's gonna know,
This
alright?
fucking carpet?
Yes, in this carpet!
Oh, shit.
Why didn't you tell me she's a kid?
How the fuck was I supposed to know she had a kid? It's a single bedroom apartment. And why you think one person's living here?
Go, she's crying, people are gonna hear! Alright, you get rid of the body, I'll distract the girl.
Hey, baby girl, hey. Oh, is that your shoe? Oh, look at that. Oh, all right, hey. Yeah, nothing's, hey, let's look this way. Let's go this way. All right, come on. Don't cry, don't cry. Come, let's come here, come on.
We're gonna go on a little trip.